Hi there, I'm Dr. Smith, and today we're talking about heart murmurs, conditions that can affect both dogs and cats. A heart murmur is the abnormal heart sound that your vet may hear with his or her stethoscope when they listen to your pet's heart and lungs. Typically, your vet will recommend an echocardiogram or ultrasound of the heart and x-rays of the chest. Following these diagnostic recommendations is important as it helps to determine the cause of the murmur and what interventions should or can be made. If your pet has been diagnosed with a murmur, talk to your vet about the best course of action for your dog or cat. To connect with me and to ask your pet questions, visit drdevinsmith.com and check me out on social media. To share your favorite pet moments with our community, go to our news app, click Explore, chime in and upload your petastic photos.